So for our project, what do we call it again? The
Smart Washing 2.0.
Smart Washing 2.0. As you can see, it is a lot slimmer than the 1.0. We use the ESP32 board mostly for its easy accessibility with Wi-Fi.
Yep.
It's also a pretty good fast board, capable of handling everything we had for it. And then this sensor, which is an analog sensor for reading vibrations. So we just have this connected onto one of the analog pins on here. And then this board is sending that data to us through the Blink app.
So we actually set up the Blink app to monitor and adjust settings for how long between pauses the washing machine needs to wait for before it notifies us, and also the different levels, so that if it's giving you too many notifications, you can adjust it. And then it'll send you a notification whenever it's done vibrating, and that should show up pretty soon. Alright, we're gonna demo it for you real fast.
So this is our makeshift washing machine. We just put the Smart Wash 2.0 right there on the side, and then when we begin, just a normal cycle. Then on our Blink app,
you can show see that it's spinning. It's on the spin cycle right now.
And then when I stop,
it'll go back to off, and then it'll wait for 15 seconds, and then it'll give us a notification. Oh, not that one. There it is. And that's Smart Washing 2.0. It's completely adjustable for however you want to use it. And then
we also have a feature if it's ever off balance and the load is off balance and we are receiving more vibrations, so you get more of this, then we'll get a notification that you saw there that the load is off balance.
So
you
try
can
that
go
one more
back
time.
in. Yeah.
Just go nice and crazy. Yep. So it's going crazy. So then if the washing machine stops, you can go and fix it and get your wash going, so it's not sitting there getting all mildewy. So, thank you very much.